Hello everyone, welcome to my video. You can access your computer from anywhere with Google account. So first you need to set up a Google account to access your computer. On your computer open Google Chrome. Then enter here remotedesktop.google.com. Then hit the enter. Under setup remote access click to download. Then follow the on-screen direction. Now give a name here or set it default. Then you enter a give a password to Google Chrome to access your PC. Next access a computer remotely. On your computer open Chrome. In search bar type remotedesktop.google.com. Click access to which computer you want. Then enter the password to access another required computer. Then select to arrow to connect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.